Hello and welcome to another one of our product review videos. Today we're going to be reviewing a paint made by Ronseal. It's the 10-year weatherproof wood paint. This is a racing green gloss, and obviously you can get it in different colours, and it's no primer needed, and we're going to use it on this outbuilding door that we've repaired.
So on here we've done a bit of remedial filling. I've done a bottom bit there, so there's no primer. It does cover fairly well. Goes on well. That goes on really well. You can see there where it's going over something. Just want to do a quick job on this, basically tidy it up.
So you don't need any primer with this one, straight on. Probably take a couple of coats.
When it shows through like that, or it's white, it's called grinning, believe it or not.
Yeah.
You can see it, but we'll give another couple of coats and that'll be absolutely fine. It doesn't run, which is nice. It's not, some glosses run. I think this was about 18 quid or something from B&Q. There's different colours available. I think there's black. Make sure it's for exterior use as well, which is important. But you can see here the sort of finish we're getting.
We'll get a close up of that. So if you're thinking about buying this paint,
and I'm only using a cheap old 1.5 inch brush. So
yeah, so if you think about buying it, then obviously this is the first coat. It will need a couple of coats,
yeah,
maybe 2 or 3 to get it 100% block colour. But that's what
you can just smooth it out, which is quite nice. Yeah. Anyway,
do you want to say any more about it, or
for how it's going on, quality of it, and it goes a long way. I'll give it a sort of 9, 10 out of 10. For it's really good paint. So it's Ronseal wood paint, weatherproof, racing green, sterling moss green, no primer needed. Alright, thanks for watching.
right? Welcome back. So we've obviously, this is a few hours later. How many coats has this had?
2.
So it's had 2 coats.
Yeah.
And we were thinking about putting another one on it, but as you can see, that's what it looks like with 2 coats. It's a nice finish considering the age of the door. So that's what it dries.
Covered the filler up.
It's a bit darker than what's on the tin, as you can see. The comparison between,
I don't know, what the light.
Actually, the camera makes it look a lot lighter on the tin than it actually is in real life. But it's all right.
It's certainly not that colour.
Well, no, it's definitely not that. But
yeah. So there we go. Bit drying in an hour. Use on bare or painted wood. 10 years weather protection. Yeah, can't go wrong for that. Guaranteed for 10 years. No emissions. Recycled tin even. There you go.
Sandy.
About 20 quid, I think it was.
That's our review for that paint.
I've only used about that much.
Used like nothing basically. So that's our review. So I think it helps if you think about buying it.